Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you 5 tips that will help to speed up your PC. So let's get started. The first tip is to disable the startup items. This will work on Windows versions 8, 10 and 11. To do this, first right-click on the Start icon and go to Task Manager. Now go to Startup Apps. Here you will find a list of apps that will be started automatically once you start your PC. Disable all the apps that are not necessary except Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, security, etc. To disable, right-click on the app and disable. This will not only boost the boot up time, but also improves the performance. The second step is to clear the trash from the computer. The best way to do this is to use the Storage Sense option. To enable the Storage Sense option, click on the search bar and type Storage Settings. Click on it and open. Here you will see the Storage Sense option. Enable this. This will automatically clean up the trash, delete temporary files. You can also do this manually. To clear the unnecessary files, right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. Now type clean mgr and click OK. Select the drive you want to clean. Now select all the files you want to clean and click OK. It will take some time to complete the process. This process depends on how much junk files are present on your system. Continuing this, now right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. Now type TEMP and click on OK. Here you will see a list of unwanted files and folders. Select all of them and delete them. Some files might not be deleted, you can skip them. Now again, right-click on the Start icon and click on Run. Now type %temp percentage and click OK. Now select all the files and delete them. You can skip the files that can't be deleted. Now the third tip is to optimize the virtual memory settings. To do this right, click on the Start icon and click on Run. Now type sysdm.cpl and click OK. Now go to the Advanced tab. Now click on the settings under the Performance tab. Here select the Let's Windows Choose option and click on OK. This will be the best option. If you are on Windows 11, then go to Advanced Options. Click on the Change option under the Virtual Memory. Check the Automatically Manage Paging Files option. This will help the Windows to automatically decide how much space is required for better performance. Once selected, click on the OK. Now go to the File Explorer and click on the C drive. Check how much free space is left. Here I have 134 gigabytes free space. It is recommended to maintain at least 30 to 40 gigabytes free space. If you don't have much space left, go to the folders like Download, Videos, Documents and sort it by size. It will show you the files according to the size. Now you can delete the unwanted large files that are not needed. Once it is done, check how much space is present now. The fourth tip is to keep your graphics driver up to date. To do this, click on the Start icon and go to Device Manager. Now click on the display adapters. Here you will find the graphics driver. Right-click on the graphics driver and go to the properties. Click on the driver option. Here you will see the driver date and driver version. Click on the update driver option and click on search automatically for drivers option. It will automatically search for the drivers available and update them if there are any. Also, you can search and download the drivers from their official website and update them. The last tip is to run the malware scan. To do this, right-click on the start icon and click on Run. Now type MRT and click on OK. It will open Microsoft Malicious Removal Tool. It will run a scan and remove any malicious items or bugs present on your system. Once the tool is opened, click on Next. Here you will find 3 types of scans. Run any scan as per your time. This scan will help you to remove any malicious files present on your system. One bonus tip: click on the start icon and type CMD and click on Run as administrator. Now type SFC space scan now and press enter. It will run a scan and repair if there are any corrupt or missing files present. This will take some time, but it is worth doing. Once all these steps are done, restart your computer and let me know if you notice any performance improvements. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.